Hello, welcome back. This week it was a testing time for our project superintendent Len Blinston, who oversaw the installation of our new generator. So let's see how it all went.
On the Saga Sapphire, the previous owners had an upgrade of the generators in 2003, but unfortunately we didn't consider that to be sufficient. The only access we could gain to do this, to change the generators, is straight through the side of the engine room, because obviously everything's built around the engine room on top of it. We've had to cut the hole in the side of the ship going through, we've had to clean out a fuel tank, cut in through a fuel tank into the side of the ship, bring out the old generators, the two old generators, to scrap them, etc., and all the associated equipment, and then we've had to bring our nice shiny new generator all the way down from Holland and lower it with cranes and slide it into the side. It is inevitable that we get one or two blackouts, but we just keep them to a minimum. As you can probably see, we've got one of our main cooling systems going to keep one of our generators going to provide power for the ship at the same time as we're making the installation. We're just taking the platform away now, and then we're going to prepare the side of the ship, putting the plate back in, welding up and making it all nice and tight. Well, here she is, our new generator, sitting in position, sitting on the bed plate, still covered up for protection. Isn't she a beauty? Getting the generator in through that hole you can see there is obviously very tight. The total time to move the generator set into the ship, through the side of the ship, manoeuvre it into position is probably a good 3 or 4 hours. They're welding up the side of the shipyard now, welding the inside shell, which is actually the inside shell of a side tank. After that they will reconstruct the tank internally and weld up the outside shell on the hull. That's the shell plate going back in now to close up the hole where the generator went in the side of the ship, the new gen set. This afternoon they'll start welding up, and then tomorrow they'll be testing it, giving all the side of the hull X-ray tests, etc., to make sure everything's good and watertight.
Our pole-to-pole restaurant alone will have in excess of 700 lights, and so our new generator will be put to good use when it's up and running. Ciao, and see you next time.